Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I want to show you some items that I purchased from Pet Quarter Shop. A couple of them are, one of them is to finish up a project that I'm working on. And I have decided I want to use some of the scrap bags from Moda that are salvage ends to make some projects. So I bought several of them and I will share those. What I also bought was Hometown Holiday by Lori Holt. I'm going to be doing a sew along with her next year. It's going to be a big, beautiful quilt. So I thought I'd grab some of her little charm square fabrics right now to try to play with some different blocks. I also picked up some alpha bitties. These are so that you can lay them down on your fabrics that when you've cut things out. I've also printed some out on paper before, but I thought, well, I'll try these. I picked up a half a yard of the 30s Playtime fabric. I have been making, these are the charm packs. I had 3 of them that came in my sew sampler for July box. And I've been working on a quilt with blocks like this. So I wanted some fabric that coordinates for the binding. On these scrap bags, they're fun. You don't know for sure what's going to be in there. Looks like I might have gotten 2 that are the same. What I will end up using them for is I'm going to make fabric out of them. This is a Moda Scrap Bag that I got a couple years ago, and I forgot all about it, pulled it out, and so now I've been piecing my fabrics together. And what I do is I just overlap the fabric, and I do 2 rows of stitching to hold it together. And this was from a whole collection called Sunday Stroll. That is really pretty, by Camille and Bonnie and Camille. There's another piece. And these would be great to use to make bags, different items. I will show them pretty soon. So what is in a Moda bag? Moda scrap bag. Those look like they're the same. This one looks like it's fun. So I'm gonna open this one. And here's the way it comes. And there's salvage edges, although this one doesn't look like, oh, okay, this one, the salvage is on the end. So these are actually 2.5-inch strips of a collection. I think it might be the same one that's in here. So you can see they're beautiful. And so these being 2.5-inch strips, I can just use them for anything. Huh. This one, it's another one that the salvages are on the end. It used to be, I always got them where it's a long ways. So I'm not sure what the collection is. Same thing again. They're on the end. But for the price you pay, you're getting a nice coordinated group of 2.5-inch strips that you can use in a project. So I like these. I'm happy with those. Let's see what's in here. Again, they're the strips on the side, or the salvages on the end. Huh. And they are. It's the same that I have in this collection. So I have a lot of fabric that are the same that I could use for a quilt project. One more, and I am sure this is the same. I like it better if they're not all the same, but you never know what you're going to get. That's why it's called a scrap bag. Same fabrics. Same fabrics. So none of them are like this. I really like them better when I have the salvage edge, but I will be able to make something out of them. So that is what I just purchased from Fat Quarter Shop, and I hope you enjoyed seeing it. Thanks.